What's up friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move YouTube channel to another Google account. So if you have YouTube channel and you have a different Gmail account and you'd like to move to that account, then this is a perfect video. So let me walk you through the simple steps how to do so. Once you're on youtube.com and you sign into your account, click your profile on the upper right hand side and then you want to click on settings. Now on the left hand side, click on advanced settings, and here you will find the option that says move channels. If you click on that, it will quickly ask you to verify your account. So you just want to log into your Gmail account. I'm going to quickly do so. And then once you do that, you should be able to continue. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now you can see give me the two-factor authentication there. I'm going to quickly select this number on my phone here, and from there it's going to continue the process. And as you can see, it now allows me to do this. And yeah, you can go ahead and you can start to move this process. It says move your channel to a different account. All you have to do is just continue with this. Now as you can see here, I also have another channel here, so there are two channels. And yeah, you basically can easily do that, guys. Very easy and very simple. This is the process to basically go ahead and move your channel to a different Google account, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.